and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices edged up, buoyed by a weaker dollar and a resurgence of safe haven demand on concerns over a prolonged US government shutdown and uncertainty over the legality of tariffs. US stocks closed in negative territory with a resumption of Tuesday's tech sell-off as investors contended with mounting economic uncertainty and stretched valuations. All three major US equity indexes lost ground as risk appetite was dampened by worries over inflated stock prices. US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have recorded more than $2 billion in outflows over the past week, marking their second worst withdrawal streak on record. The heaviest day came on Tuesday, when investors pulled $566 million.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.